Marlee here, Senior Content Manager at JCPenney, and today I'm bringing you a fun style and substance video around routine. I'll be giving you my top 5 tips to get you and your family organized, systematized, and ready to take on those knowns and unknowns of the school year ahead. Let's go. Okay, here's tip number 1. Simplify your breakfast routine. Narrowing down the number of breakfast options cuts back on time and confusion. I can't recommend smoothies enough. Not only are they healthy, but when done right, they can be really easy to prep and even easier to clean up. My secret, the Ninja Bullet. Here's what you do. The night before you take the Ninja Cup, fill it with your child's favorite ingredients, pop on the travel lid, stick it in the fridge, and you're done. In the morning, you take the pre-made smoothie, add ice, screw on the blender attachment, and press down. It takes seconds. Even better if your kids are old enough to make their own. Tip number 2, buy versatile back-to-school outfits. Let's face it, this year is going to look so different for every single family. Some may be schooling 5 days a week, others may be doing it virtually, and then there are the ones that are going to fall somewhere in between. That is why it's so important that our back-to-school outfits go the distance with us. I really recommend shopping versatile options that can serve lots of different situations. Some of my favorites are casual dresses with sneakers and mix and match active and athleisure options. Tip number 3, exercise. This is a biggie. Exercise is scientifically proven to reduce stressors and boost endorphins. And guys, it doesn't have to be this crazy long sweat session. Try this fun family pyramid workout. Start with 15 jumping jacks, then 10 frog jumps, next 5 air squats, 1 high five. Now work your way back up. 5 air squats, 10 frog jumps, and end with 15 jumping jacks. Just 10 minutes of getting your heart pumping will do the trick. Tip number 4, the gratitude jar. You may not necessarily think of a gratitude jar when building out a schedule, but not all aspects of a routine need to be around timeliness and organization. It can also include small but impactful activities like teaching our kids to lead with a grateful heart. This is an easy practice that can be done every night at the dinner table. Each family member writes on a piece of paper what they are grateful for that day. Then you put it in the jar. For me, it's a cute coffee mug that reads happy, but a small cup, jar, or vase will all do the trick. Then at dinner, it can be a conversation starter or discussion among the fam. It's so fun to hear your kids share what they are grateful for. Tip number 5, improve your sleep environment. This is a big one for routine because we spend 1/3 of our lives in our beds. It's important that we invest in the items that are going to give us really great, healthy sleep. Here's the items I recommend. Set a great foundation with this Liz Claiborne mattress pad. The Infinity 600 thread count allows air to flow through the bedding, but it also feels like a cloud. Don't underestimate the power of sheets. My pick comes from JCPenney's Home Expressions brand. The percale weave gives these sheets a cool and crisp feel, great for regulating body temps at night. Plus, they're wrinkle resistant right from the dryer. This bohemian quilt from our JCPenney home brand is a must. Like I mentioned, finding the right sleeping temperature for your body is an important part of getting a good night's rest. This is the perfect lightweight cover that will work year-round, and I love that it's reversible too. Next is this Hydro Cool pillow by JCPenney Home. It moves heat away from the body for a good night's sleep. It has medium neck support, which is ideal for us side and back sleepers. My favorite features are the blue cooling dots that turn white with heat, and that it has a hypoallergenic fill. This Brookstone Smart Weight Clock is so cool. Its natural light feature provides a similar light to what you would experience if the sunshine were to burst through your curtains, tricking your body into thinking that the sun is rising and that it's time to wake up. How awesome is that? Oh, and don't forget about Himalayan sea salt lamps. They're amazing. Not only do they purify the air, but they can really help with getting that good night's rest. Plus, they're kind of the perfect decor piece for that bedside table. Okay, those were my top 5 tips. I'd love to know which ones you like, so comment below. And don't forget to tune in every Tuesday and Thursday for more style and substance videos. Good night.